Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V, the architect. Today we are looking at how to create a mountain with lake using Revit. First, go to Maps, go to Search, let's search lake. And let's go to this one. Okay. Go right click, then copy this direction. After that, go to CAD Mapper, go to Search, then press Ctrl V. After that, press Enter. And here it is. I want this one like this. Then press select Autocad and go create file. And it will look like this. Let's go to 2D and let's go to topography. Okay. Then press download. Let's save it. After that, go to your file, right click, extract here, open the AutoCAD file, and here it is. After that, press Ctrl S and save it on the same file like this one lake, rename it, then go to Revit, press models, new, metric architecture template, then press OK. Change the unit, press UN. Length, let's make it meter. And the rounding to decimal, then press OK, then OK. Go to Insert, Import CAD. Select your AutoCAD file, meter, manual center, then open. And let's put it here. After that, go massing and site, top of surface, then create from import, select import instant, then select your AutoCAD file, check none, select the topography, and contour lines, then press OK. After that, press finish, go to 3D, let's make it shaded, and here it is. This is our lake from the bottom, like this one. On 3D, this one. Let's return to Revit. Let's select our AutoCAD file, then delete layers, check none, that's the contour and the topography, then press OK. Now go to level 1 and we want this leak. Go to architecture, component, model in place, scroll down, Let's choose walls. Okay. Extrusion. Pick line. Go to 3D. The materials, let's make it water. Then press OK. Then go finish model. You can. Level 1. Let's select our topography. Delete. Check all. Then OK. Let's go to 3D. And here it is. Now, go to Twinmotion. Then go to Revit. Datasmith. Sync. Go to Twinmotion. Go to Import. Import. Direct link. Revit. Then press Import. And here it is. Let's change our materials. Like this one, we want it water.